Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a long-lasting hookah. To begin, always choose premium shisha tobacco for the best flavor and a more extended session. When packing your bowl, ensure the tobacco is evenly distributed, leaving about a quarter-inch gap from the top. This prevents burning and allows for proper airflow. Finally, place 3 to 4 fully lit coals around the outer edge of the bowl, not directly in the center, to ensure even heat distribution. Mastering heat management is crucial for a long-lasting hookah. Rotate your coals every 10 to 15 minutes to maintain consistent heat across the tobacco. If the smoke becomes harsh, remove one coal. If it's too light, add another. Consider using a heat management device, which can provide more precise temperature control, ensuring your shisha burns slowly and evenly for up to an hour and a half or more. Proper packing and airflow are key to extending your session. For blonde leaf tobacco, a fluff pack works best, allowing air to circulate freely. Dark leaf tobacco benefits from a denser pack, which intensifies the flavor and extends its burn time. When applying foil, make sure it is pulled taut across the bowl. Then, create many small, evenly spaced holes, about 50 to 75, for optimal heat transfer and smooth draws. To truly maximize your hookah's longevity, consistent maintenance is essential. Always clean your hookah thoroughly after each session to prevent flavor ghosting and ensure optimal performance. Start every new session with fresh, cold water in the base. This helps cool the smoke and provides a cleaner taste. Also, avoid excessive or rapid pulling, as this can quickly overheat the tobacco, leading to a shorter and harsher experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.